friends. Welcome back to another edition of Home Sweet Home Learning, where we know that learning can happen at home and all we need to do is improvise, such as using a fly swatter as a pointer. So today is a very special day. Today is April 22nd. Let's all think about April 22nd. I will say I do have a clue on my neck. I don't know if you can see what I've constructed. I will give you a clue. These are pull tabs. What could today be? I have another clue. Keep thinking. A globe. I know what today is. It's Earth Day. A day to celebrate the wonderful world that we live in. I created this necklace several years ago and I wear it every day to school on Earth Day. Even though I couldn't be in my classroom today, I knew that I still had to wear the necklace in honor of our special Earth and also to show my students that learning and supporting our world continues even when the buildings are closed. Today, we're going to have a special guest show us how to use recyclables from our very own home to build a ramp. This will incorporate math skills, design, a lot of engineering, and trial and error. I hope that you follow up after watching this video to do the same thing at your house and to make learning fun. Today, Sawyer is faced with the challenge of using these recyclables, whichever ones he chooses, to create a ramp along with tape, perhaps painter's tape. You might have masking tape at your house. We also have scotch tape at our house, along with some scissors if you need to cut some things. And then what we're going to do at the end is he's going to roll down this rubber band ball that we had lying around, a matchbox car, and a pickup truck car, and see which one will travel the furthest. I challenge you at your homes to find which recyclables you think are the most effective in this task, along with your adhesive and anything you'd like to roll down it, perhaps an Easter egg or other bouncy balls you might have in your home or other things with wheels. And then you could have a family competition. Everyone could build their own ramps and see which one can roll the farthest. I hope you enjoy watching Sawyer work his magic.
Here's my first test run. Fail.
Thank you for joining me in another edition of Home Sweet Home Learning. And let's always remember, no matter what day of the week it is always a great day to do some Home Sweet Home Learning. Have a great afternoon.